All right, everybody, I am super stoked about this morning's meeting and us sharing 3 days of surrender beginning Monday. We don't charge for our service. We pay for everything you need except for your food. We do appreciate donations, very much appreciated. It helps me pay my small team and keep a roof over my head. But God didn't call me to take from you. He called me to give to you. We will have this optional reset. This is fantastic. It's what I'll be using and talking about. You can participate in the 3 days of surrender, which there's a link in here for that. You can participate in the 3 days of surrender without this kit, but your results will be magnified using this kit. Now, we'll be doing this 3 days. You can go beyond 3 days. This is a 10-day kit. What I have found and what I like to do is to take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday for the Father, Tuesday for the Son, Wednesday for the Holy Ghost. Dedicate myself to the detox, both spiritual awakening and taking care of my body, getting them integrated. I cover that in the link below with all the rules. This is just about the 10-day reset, so you know how powerful this is. I can't find a more powerful or gentle cleanse that's this effective. Don't pay attention to the guidebook. Stay away from the guidebook. That's for people that's more interested in performance. We're interested in detoxification and fat loss, okay? So we got 10-day reset. You got your probiotics in here and your herbal tablets. This is laid out too in the other document. However, in the morning with your Bravenly coffee or your Four Sigmatic coffee or your Folgers, whatever, take in your probiotics. And also drink your fiber packet. I mix mine with AdvoCare Spark, 3 cubes of ice in a Ninja blender, or you can mix it with Ocean Spray Diet or even water if you get one of the flavors. This one's the unflavored. I really like the citrus, but unflavored is fine. You're probably going to add some approved flavored beverage with it anyway. And then at night, here's the key. We've put in the Brillo pad, the insoluble, soluble fiber to help remove undigested matter, so the colon can cleanse, the liver can cleanse, other organs can cleanse. But then you put the herbal tablets in at night. So we got the Brillo pad in, now the hand comes in, that's the herbal tablets, and it's going to do its work at night. It's meant to do it 10 days in a row. I find people struggle finishing that these days. People are more distracted than ever, but you can get the same benefit by 3 days and then going on my day 4 plan where we reintroduce meat. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, no meat. We're gonna stick to the meal plan in question here. So that's it. It goes over what's in the cleanse caplets and it tells what aspect. The meal plan is going to help detoxify, but this gives that advantage. You'll find that these are very absorbable ingredients and they're put together in the right way so you do absorb them. We go over here what we're good for. Blood purifier, anti-inflammatory. You got beetroot powder, odorless garlic, everything you need in the herbal tablets to gently remove waste. You've got your probiotic blend, inulin, your probiotic from yeast extract, AdvoCare fiber ingredients, soluble fiber, insoluble fiber. We got the right ratio. A lot of people don't realize you need the right ratio for them to do their job. Soluble fiber is good for digestive support and cholesterol regulation. Insoluble fiber, it's not solvent in liquid, so it's going to work all that undigested matter that's hooked around in all those 30 feet of intestines. It's going to help get that out. So 3 days, and then you keep the rest of your product. If you only do it 3 days, then you've got it for the next 3 days and the next 3 days, or do it 10 days straight. Either way, it's going to work. So that's our cleanse kit. I recommend if you're going to do the 3-day detox with us, 3 days, 3 nights of surrender next week, get the cleanse now and do 2-day shipping. It's not that much more. It's a few dollars more, and it's worth it to have it on Monday with the rest of the group. Probably need to get that order in today if you're going to use the cleanse kit. Your results will be magnified when we test groups, have a split test, one group without, one group with. The group with always does better. Forward me your AdvoCare receipt after using my link. Let me know that you're using the kit, and you get some bonuses from me for the 3 days where I check in on you personally. Okay, so forward that receipt to travisjack777@gmail.com, and I look forward to seeing you 3 nights of surrender, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Let's do it under the Lord, and let's heal together. Read the rules, all the things that we're offering for the 3 days. It's really intense, and I think you'll really enjoy it and get a lot out of it. Be a very, very vulnerable time for you, but also one of great victory. All right, talk soon.